What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and it's going to be a hot one today. We got down into false fall. We were like 80 degrees last week, and then this week we are paying for it because last night when we were milking cows at 6 o'clock, the humidity was like almost 60%, and the heat index was 107. So it was a fun evening of milking. But it is a new day, and it's going to be even hotter today. So we have a pretty busy day today. We have to go and get feed, and then we are going to pick up some new animals for the homestead. If you follow us on Instagram or on Facebook, you already know what those are. But if you don't, you'll find out here shortly. So we got to get all the animals fed so we can get ready to go. And I got to make sure I've got water bottles in the freezer for the rabbits because they're going to need them today.
Scale the world in halves as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
Hi, Mimas. Ready for breakfast?
Dreamy, breezy we go.
Excuse me, Sassy.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no. Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no.
Everybody is fed, and we are... Yes, you've already ate, Pippi. Thank you very much. Everybody is fed. The rabbits are good. We'll probably put the water bottles in when we get back. Right now, it's not too bad in there. They've got the fans blowing on them, so they don't look stressed. But I got to head into the goat milking parlor to see what we have left as far as feed goes, so I can make a list of what we need. Alright, so from the looks of things, we need almost everything. We still have some alfalfa pellets. We go through alfalfa pellets the most because that's what the Jerseys get. I need to get Chucky some feed. I need to get chicken feed. I need to get goat feed. And I think we'll probably... No, I think we're good on rabbit feed. We still have one bag of rabbit feed that's actually over in the feed bin area. So... now that we know what we need, let's get on the road. We don't take the trailer with us, so we are kind of limited on how much we can take per trip because we just take the truck. So we're gonna load up with as much as we can get though. So let's get on the road.
Storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Alright, so we are back from the feed store and we have got everything put up just in the nick of time because I mean it is 11 o'clock and it's already 95 degrees out. So here is all of our feed. This will last us about 2 weeks. We also filled up all the hoppers. So now that that is done, we're going to get ready to go and pick up the new animals. And we're going to put some ice in with the rabbits because it's already super hot. So we'll get that done, and then it'll be close to the time to go and get the new animals for the homestead. So let's get that done. we ended up getting Lenny and Squiggy. They're going to be our new grow out pigs for the year. They are Brookshires, so they still have their Ghibli bits, so we gotta get rid of those. But for now, we're going to get them set up in the goat kidding area because the fencing there is a little bit smaller. If we were to put them in the pig area right now, they could probably just squeeze through it because they are still a little bit small. Gravy's like, I'm not watching those. Good morning, Gravy. Alright, so it is the next day. We've got the piglets all moved in. We ended up putting them in the barn just because the kidding area that's fenced in on the outside is rather large. So we put them in a smaller area so that they could kind of figure out their surroundings as far as where their food and stuff goes. But they are up and they are ready to eat, so let's give them their breakfast. Good morning, Chong Chongs. You guys just have made a mess in here, haven't you? You guys ready for breakfast? Alright, let's get your breakfast. Morning, girls. So we are getting close to fall kidding. If you follow us on any of our other social media, we have started doing some udder checks. Not on you, Pip. You're not pregnant. Not right now, at least. Hi. But Cleo, our first freshener, is, and she is starting to udder up. So is Sunny. Rogue is as well. Snow is a little bit. And then Sadie is a little bit. So we will start kidding season here in a few weeks, which is exciting. Hopefully it'll cool down by then. Alright, y'all. So the piggies are doing well. They have settled in nicely. So that is what I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every single week. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.